I took the bag off the drain, and what I saw surprised me. First, grab a cup or small glass. Pour in your favorite dish soap, filling the cup halfway. Dish soap contains surfactants that effectively dissolve grease and help remove dirt. Now, add 2 tablespoons of table salt. Salt acts as a natural abrasive, helping to break down mineral deposits. Then, top off the cup with vinegar. Vinegar is a natural descaler and disinfectant. Mix everything well. Before pouring the mixture into the sink, prepare the drain. Remove the strainer and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has cleaning properties and neutralizes acids. Pour the prepared mixture into the drain. When the vinegar reacts with the baking soda, it will start to foam. Cover the drain with a plastic bag to trap the reaction inside, directing the cleaning power exactly where it's needed. Leave it for 20 minutes. Afterward, remove the bag and flush the drain with hot water. Finally, rinse the sink to remove any residue. If you have any leftover homemade cleaner, use it to wipe down the sink for a sparkling clean finish. Regular use of this method will help prevent clogged drains and keep your sink fresh and clean. It cleans drains better than commercial products. The unpleasant smell coming from the drain will disappear. This mixture leaves your sink clean and fresh smelling. Does water sometimes not drain from your sink? Or does it drain, but very slowly? If so, be sure to watch this video until the end. I'll show you how to clean and unclog your sink or drain. Start by pouring half a cup of dish soap into a container. Dish soap is a great degreaser. It dissolves fats that enter the drain from washing your hands or face after applying creams. Even soaps often contain fats. Dish soap will break them down if they've accumulated in the drain. Next, add vinegar, about the same amount, half a cup. Vinegar disinfects and, together with the other ingredients, helps unclog blocked drains. Now, add a tablespoon of salt and mix everything together. This simple combination is the perfect solution for a clogged sink, and it also smells pleasant. But that's not all. Pour the mixture into a smaller container for easier use. Remove the drain plug from the sink. Then sprinkle 2 large tablespoons of baking soda into the drain. Pour the prepared mixture over the baking soda. Since it contains vinegar, you'll see a bubbling reaction. Let the mixture sit in the sink for about 20 minutes to work its magic. Afterward, plug the drain and fill the sink with plenty of hot water. Finally, release the water. The hot water will flush away everything the mixture has dissolved. Your sink will be clean and any unpleasant odors will be gone. Clean your sink without using chemicals. You only need ingredients that you already have in your kitchen. Sinks often accumulate stubborn residue and limescale, but this simple homemade method will make yours look brand new. The first ingredient is vinegar. It effectively dissolves limescale, grease, and bacteria. Pour it all over the sink to target every dirty spot. Next, take baking soda and sprinkle it generously over the surface. When combined with vinegar, it creates a chemical reaction that lifts dirt, neutralizes odors, and refreshes the sink. Let this mixture sit for about 15 minutes. Then rinse everything thoroughly with water, removing any foam and remaining residue. Your sink will shine, free from buildup and unpleasant smells. And the best part? No need for expensive store-bought cleaners. Vinegar and baking soda are a powerful duo that you should always have on hand. Pour 1 spoonful of coffee into the sink. See the effects instantly. Everyday products can have surprising uses, and this method is a great alternative to chemical cleaners. It's an easy way to freshen up your kitchen and bathroom with minimal effort. Prepare a large bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee, which absorbs odors effectively. Then, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, known for its cleaning properties, and pour in 1 cup of vinegar for its disinfecting power. Mix everything until you get a uniform solution. Once ready, pour the mixture into the sink or basin. Let it sit for a few minutes to activate the ingredients. Then rinse with warm water. You'll notice how it removes buildup, eliminates bad odors, and prevents dirt accumulation. It can also help keep pests away. Try this natural method and see the results for yourself. Do you also have a problem with white stains on a black sink? Most people who buy such a sink have no idea how to take care of it. White marks don't come off even after washing with dish soap. But an indispensable solution in such a case turns out to be one inexpensive product. Everyone has it in the kitchen cabinet, and it turns out it should also be next to the sink. Then, white deposits from water will never mar your kitchen. Apply a simple trick, and in a few minutes, you'll get rid of the problem. Here's how to deal with it. Take a bottle of vinegar and pour it into a spray bottle. Then spray the sink surface where there are white spots. Do it thoroughly and generously. Place pieces of paper towel on the damp sink and spray vinegar again. It's important for the paper towels to be completely wet. This way, the vinegar won't evaporate and it will work longer, removing the white spots. Leave the paper for several minutes. In just a few minutes, you'll see that the white marks disappear. After a dozen or so minutes, remove the paper and see the difference. There will be no trace of lime deposits. The black streaks and spots will be a thing of the past, and you can enjoy a perfectly clean black sink. To prevent new white deposits, just spray the sink with vinegar from time to time, and that's it. Good luck. Throw an egg into the sink. The results will surprise you. Everyday products can transform into something entirely different. It's a simple and inexpensive way to create a solution that will be useful in the kitchen. Take a bowl and crack an egg into it. Then, using a plastic bottle, separate the egg. The bottle will perfectly extract the yolk, which you can use for other purposes, as this trick only requires the egg white. Next, add a few tablespoons of dish soap to the bowl with the egg white. Mix it thoroughly until it forms a uniform solution. Pour it into the sink. This mixture is a clever use of natural chemical compounds that can work wonders. Wait a moment for the ingredients in the mixture to do their job. Then, watch as your sink gets effectively cleaned. This trick will help eliminate unpleasant odors and potential pests, while quickly cleaning up any residues. Do this in the evening before bed, and you'll see the difference in the morning. You'll be surprised at what you can avoid with this simple trick. It's an easy yet highly effective method that solves two problems at once. Take a lemon and cut off one of its ends. Then, insert the tip of a stopper into the center of the lemon and place it over the sink drain. Now, cut off the other end of the lemon, shaping it to fit the drain opening. Insert the prepared citrus plug into the sink and close the drain overnight. This prevents earwigs, which are most active after dark and often seek food scraps in damp areas, from entering the drain. The acid in the lemon creates a natural scent barrier that effectively repels insects, keeping them from reaching the pipes. In the morning, when you remove the citrus plug, you'll notice that unpleasant odors have also disappeared. Additionally, the lemon's essential oils have antibacterial properties, disinfecting the sink and eliminating built-up bacteria. This simple trick keeps your kitchen fresher and helps prevent insect problems.